tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year.
Hey guys, it's Danielle. So today I'm going to be doing a decorating my room for Christmas video. Also, before I start, this is the before of my room. So these are the bins full of all the Christmas decorations that I'm going to be decorating my room with, and the first thing I did was remove all of my throw pillows and change my big long pillowcase to a red one and added some really cute Christmas pillows. Next, I added a really warm throw blanket for when I'm cold, and it has a whole bunch of Christmas trees and reindeers, which are really cute and make my room much more cozier. Then I cleared everything off the shelf above my desk and added some fake snow, and I will be continuing the rest of the stuff later. Here I'm putting my colorful Christmas lights all around my room on the little hooks that I already had on my wall from previous years of doing this. Once I was done with the lights, I took two picture frame things off my wall for a DIY from Gabrielle Marie, and while I was taking off one, I put a Christmas hat that I claimed to be mine when I was younger on my TV. So the DIY that I did was wrapping up the wall decor in some pretty Christmas wrapping paper, and I also added a bow to both of them, and I think this DIY is super cute and it just adds to my Christmas room. And this is how they turned out on my walls. Then I moved on to another shelf and I added a Christmas sign, a winter storybook thing I have, and some Bath & Body Works candles, body sprays, and body creams. Now I'm just adding a few wooden Christmas decorations that I painted when I was younger to each corner of my mirror. Then I took everything off my dresser and added this giant foam gingerbread house that I made last year along with some non-Christmas decorations, and then I added this really cute Santa Claus Christmas countdown thing, and every day in December you add a pom-pom to his beard, and eventually on Christmas his entire beard will be filled. Next I added another craft I made to the top of my mirror and added these mirror letter things that spell out Merry Christmas on my mirror. Now I took out my little Christmas tree and added the legs and adjusted the branches how I like them and put it on my shelf, and then I added some really cute snow globes to each side of the Christmas tree along with some fake little presents I made a few years ago. I'm also adding some garland across my desk and hanging some ornaments across it in every single ornament color that I have. Then I took the rest of the ornaments and sorted them out into their colors and started to decorate my tree. This took me about 10 minutes and soon after I was finished. Okay. I also wanted to show you guys these really cute slippers I have that say, "Dear Santa, I can explain." Now after some finishing touches, I am done. So this is what my entire room looks like in the dark. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
A Silver Stellar Care Award dealer on Southwestern Boulevard in Orchard.
Carbon West Seneca raised it.
Now it's your turn to raise the game flag. You too can earn $160 cash bonus. Just open any energy personal checking card. Unsurpassed comfort. Sit back and relax.
holiday. Happy holiday. Oh, merry bells keep ringing. Happy holiday.